So how can you use the Google Translate camera on the iPhone? Let's get started and let's explain that. If it's your first time on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you can just get the Google Translate application. It's gonna work fine, right? So just get it from the App Store. And the point is that you basically don't even have to like sign in with your account or anything. And in the bottom right corner, you have the camera icon. And right now, you can literally just point your camera at like a text or whatever it might be, and it will be translated in real time, right? So you even get to pick like the languages, of course, right? You can even choose to detect the language. That's very useful because a lot of times you don't even know like which language you're looking at, so that might be useful. And yeah, that way you can use it at this, simply. Of course, you can also upload the pictures containing text from the gallery. That's useful, right? That's another great feature. But I need to point out though that as you can see in the middle of the screen at the top, we have the Google Lens logo, right? And the Google Lens is like the Google's camera software or service, which lets you not just translate text, but also look something up. So if you have just the Google app specifically, right, you can open it up like this, and again, you have access to the Google Lens icon. And this lets you again translate in here or, look up something based on visual search. So technically you don't even have to have the Google Translate app, as you can find it in the main Google app, right? So I hope I'm not confusing you. You can do it like that. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.